Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a 2008 Triumph Rocket 3. This is a really nice bike. It's a big bike, nice touring bike. It's got a 2300cc inline 3-cylinder. It's got the horizontal drive shaft, kind of like a automobile engine. Dual front disc brakes, aluminum rims, nice black and chrome. Got a good tire there on the front. This one's been upgraded with the windshield, the wind deflectors here. It's got a chrome shroud around it there. It is a liquid cooled 5-speed. Rider floorboards, passenger floorboards. It's also been upgraded with the it's got the hard bags. It's the Rocket 3 Touring. So they're lockable hard bags. Plenty of storage in there. Well, it's got a luggage rack, passenger backrest, tank bib and bag. It's got the bag on the windshield. Fire it off and let you give it a listen. It's got 4,994 miles on it. I need to pull in that clutch. Bear with me just a second. So actually, I guess this one may be a little bit different. It's the Rocket 3 Touring instead of the Rocket 3. So maybe those aren't actual upgrades, but it's upgrades from the standard Rocket 3. Got a good tire on the back. It's a shaft drive bike, so it's real smooth. Fuel gauge in here. Nice hand grips, all the levers and buttons look good. Let's see if we can find anything up here on the front to show you. A lot of times on these front fenders you'll get little rock pecks. That looks like that might be one right there. Everything else looks real good on it. See anything on the back? Tank looks nice. Bags look real good, lids. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Bike went through our shop and was checked out and is ready to go. Got a lot of good financing options and extended warranty options on this bike. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world. So it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.